Well, in today's video, we are going to explain how to fix it when this happens. I have a windshield wiper that only one of them works. See? The one on the right doesn't work. The one on the left does. The first thing you need to do is open the car hood. Well, if you've opened the engine, you see here, right? We are under the windshield wipers. You see the system? Here you can see the system, which is the one that operates the windshield wiper. So then here, this one that rotates, which should rotate together with the windshield wiper. What you have to do is tighten that screw. I'm going to do it and we'll see how it turns out. To tighten the screw you saw down there, first you need to remove the cap. This cap can be removed with any screwdriver like this one. And now all you have to do is tighten. You can do this with a wrench or a torquey wrench, whichever you prefer. I'll do it and let's see if it works. Okay, so with the glass of the i13 I've pressed this, the screw I was telling you about. Now you can see that both wipers work without problems. Look closely. Okay,